Allday Supermarket, fastest growing local supermarket in the Philippines. We have long believed in the Filipinos deserving a better supermarket experience, one that is at par with the best in the world, and this IPO helps us do just that, said Manuel B. Villar, Jr. Allday Marts Incorporated with ticker name ALLDY conducted its IPO last November 3, 2021 at 0.6 per share IPO price, which went to the moon at 0.9 per share in that trading day. It is the fastest player in the local supermarket industry in the Philippines. Its sales from 2019 to 2020 increased from 3 billion to 7.9 billion pesos, or 61% compounded annual growth rate. Net profit grew almost 4 times to 220 million pesos in 2020. For the first half of 2021, it recorded a 180 million in net profit. Allday targets to reach 100 stores by 2026. This confirms that many share our vision in how to disrupt the supermarket landscape, and that many believe in Allday's capability to bring an elevated supermarket experience to more and more Filipinos across the country. PNB Capital, along with BDO Capital Investment Corporation and China Bank Capital Corporation, acted as the offer's joint lead underwriters and joint book runners. In addition to a premium in-store aesthetic, innovative customer solutions and the vast array of international goods that it offers, the chain was the first to introduce the self-checkout kiosks to improve health and safety protocols. In doing so, Allday was credited by Euromonitor International as a pioneer in implementing shopper programs that answered customer needs during the height of the pandemic. In parallel with its innovative in-store experience, Allday operates its own, best-in-class e-commerce platform through www.allday.com.ph, which was recently migrated to a progressive web application, PWA, format, which allows for improved functionality and usability for customers who do their shopping either on desktop computers, mobile phones, or tablets. We are truly excited to bring the Allday supermarket experience public. We have already established an elevated in-store and online customer experience, and we want to ensure that we remain consistent in the experience we offer, and we believe that this will resonate strongly with a growing Filipino preference for an elevated supermarket experience. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only and not an investment advice. For more stock market updates, do not forget to subscribe. Always ingat. ==